As a wholesale provider, it's really important that we provide the right standards and tools to be able to support our retail service providers. And the innovations that we have on show at the Broadband Forum really demonstrate a glimpse to the future.
We're looking at demos about the monitoring performance and troubleshooting within wholesale environment to see what the actors of a wholesale scenarios can see, one can measure, and what can check in their network. Since there is a wholesaler that sells the network access to a retailers that provide the services to the subscriber. The problem is that what wholesalers see on the network is quite different from what the retailers see from the networks. The basic idea is to provide a picture of the protocol provided within the Broadband Forum quality of experience can help these two actors to maintain a service level agreement compliancy and also provide a better service for the end user, for the subscriber. Here we have a picture how the demo has been implemented and to see the different segment of the network involved. We have got the access network where the subscriber premises are, and inside the subscriber premises we have got one ONU and another subscriber that instead has got a residential gateway. Then there is the transport of the layer 2 that comes from the subscribers through the wholesale network, and then the delivery to the retail network. The tests that are performed are handled by an USP Controller, that is also another protocol developed and ratified by the Broadband Forum. The basic idea, this is how the demo has been implemented, but let's see how the wholesaler, the retailer see its own domain of the network. For the retailer, there is the access network. There is what for him is a black box, which is the transport of the data from the access network to its platform. And then there is the control. This is how the wholesaler see is a segment. For the wholesaler, there are two opaque areas. There is the subscriber premises and also the retailer network. What the wholesaler is interested is in the transport of the layer 2 data from the subscriber premises to the retail network. In this demo, we are using two different protocols developed and ratified by the Broadband Forum. One is the QED and the other is the UDP speed test. So we see the interaction between these two tools to obtain the QED to monitor the network. If some problems is detected by the QED, we can use the UDP speed test just to probe the exact issue in the house of the subscriber. So we can run the UDP speed test, for instance, on the device that it is used to connect the network, and also to the device that is used to connect the network. For instance, a retailer, if the issue is on the network or it is in the subscriber segment, so in the local area network of the subscriber. The same is done using QED. The difference is that QED, since it is a very small footprint protocol, can be used to monitor the situation continuously, since it doesn't have any backward effect on the network traffic generated or directed to the subscriber. The union of these two protocols can be handled together by the USP Controller, provide a full solution for both the wholesaler and the retailer.
One of the tools that we are using for this demo to measure the quality of experience is Broadband Forum's UDPST, which is also known as TR471. TR471 allows us to actively measure the user's access length and let us know the maximum capacity of this link. So TR471 is an improvement over TR143, which was based on TCP. Being based on UDP means that it's less prone to being affected by the round-trip time loss, which delivers more accurate results over gigabit speeds. We are doing this so that we can offer customers a way to proactively address the issues and lead to faster issue resolution, and also support for premium SLA services. USP controllers are also a critical part of this because they allow us to trigger these tests on a periodic basis and collect the results and send it to another system for further analysis.
If you offer speeds above, let's say, 4 gig or even more, it's very hard to prove that you really achieve those 4 gig or even more, because most of the hardware within the local LANs of the end customer is not capable to handle those speeds.
So we are really excited to participate and to see the new possibility to solve the speed test and this kind of the SLA measurement, this kind of issue for our customer and for the industry. This is a really good experience for us. We work with our customer MBA. MBA is an infrastructure provider, is basically provided the wholesale service in Australia, the whole network. Originally, we do with Tier 143, this kind of technique. Original technique sees the limitation. And this time we do with the Tier 471 with the OB-UDPST, the 8.2. And we work with the Broadband forum and to join all the plug fest and do the demo preparation. Really excited to see the next step to really deploy this service for our customer. Okay, and solve the problem.
We implemented this in our almost every module of our routes, of a Fritz box. 2 steps, of course. First of all, enable USP. The second step is enable the speed test 471. We do see, as an industry, how important it is, and it will be even more important. So I encourage you all to get involved in this. Let you informed by the broadband forum how it works and how you can handle it to have more quality to your end customers.